How important was it for you to have sports in your life?
I mean, it was great. And, I grew up in a neighborhood with a lot of kids, and every day after school, going playing, whether it was hockey, baseball, football, soccer. We did everything. It actually took me a while to narrow down to pursue soccer specifically. I played every sport you can imagine. So yeah.
Was there anybody like any athlete that ever came along your way, or was there anybody that ever inspired you to pursue the path of soccer?
Yeah, I mean, all the big time names, Pele, obviously, following them. But funny story is, my favorite number is 16, and grew up, my uncle had me a diehard Islanders fan, and if you remember, Zygmunt Palffy used to play for them. He was number 16, and I was obsessed with him. And that's how it came out. I've always been number 16. Here I'm 33, but 16 will always be my favorite number.
Nice.
Because of him.
Nice. And now, for those who are curious about giving back, if anybody ever came up to you asking for advice about giving back, what would your advice be?
Mine, I'd be down to do it anytime. It's always important to give back to the community. It's who helped me get to this point where I am today. And when I can, I go back and coach, help out. And I think it's important to develop the youth and create awareness for soccer now, and specifically the Cosmos.
How special is it for you to be a part of the Cosmos? Because I know they've always had a great tradition of giving back.
Yeah, it is.
Having success on the field. How special is that for you?
It is great because it's also my hometown, and I kind of spent 4 years away in college, and then I was a little bit in Houston for a little bit, but then coming back to New York, it's a special place. And I think the Cosmos kind of gaining and coming back to life, I think it's really special.